not crazy. The weather is getting more and more extreme every single year, and I'm gonna show you the data. In the last 12 months, the US has logged more billion-dollar weather disasters. Tornado outbreaks are clustering. Hail reports are getting much larger. Flash flooding events are intensifying, and most people have no idea why. Everybody wants to blame El Nino, and sure, the 2026 Super El Nino is amplifying things, but here's the part people miss.
El Nino is weakening.
We're transitioning, and the extreme weather is not stopping for anything. That tells you something fundamental. El Nino was a trigger, not the cause. The atmosphere has changed at a structural level. We've always had tornadoes, and we've always had hurricanes. Yes, but not like this. What's changed isn't the number of storms, it's the clustering. Instead of one tornado outbreak a season, we're seeing 3 or 4 back to back. The atmosphere isn't producing more events, it's producing more concentrated bursts of violence. Here's what's actually happening. For every 1 degree of Fahrenheit warming, the atmosphere holds about 4% more water vapor. More moisture means more fuel for storms. It means heavier rainfall rates. It means storms that can go from 0 to severe faster than your radar app can update. And that's why your weather app keeps getting it wrong. The atmosphere is outpacing the models. The old rule was you get a watch, then you get a warning. That gave you roughly 30 to 40 minutes to prepare.
But now,
the average warning to impact window is shrinking rapidly. Storms are intensifying so fast that by the time the warning goes out, the storm is already there. That's not a model problem, that's an atmospheric reality. And then there's hail. In 2026 alone, we've seen much more reports of 4-inch hail and above. That's baseball to softball size, guys. And across multiple states, too. Now, that's not normal. That's a signal. The instability profiles these storms are building in is deeper, more volatile, and capable of growing hailstones that shouldn't be possible at these latitudes. Flash flooding is now the number one weather-related killer in the US. And it's not because of hurricanes. It's because of slow-moving thunderstorms dropping 3 to 4 inches of rain per hour. Your infrastructure, heck, our infrastructure wasn't built for this. Your neighborhood drainage wasn't designed for this. And your weather app isn't warning you fast enough. Now, guys, this is excluding WeatherWise, of course. I might not be sponsored by them, but in my opinion, a good radar app is a crucial part of navigating a storm. And that's why I use WeatherWise to give you guys all the life-saving data that I do. So go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description. And again, I'm not sponsored by them. But getting back to this extreme weather, what do you do about it? Well, there's 3 things. Number 1, stop trusting your weather app alone. It's showing you composite reflectivity, a smoothed out guess. By the time it updates, the storm has most likely already changed. Number 2, know your safe spot. And that doesn't necessarily mean the bathroom. It means the most interior room of your house on the lowest floor, away from windows, and with a helmet and shoes if possible. Because believe it or not, the leading cause of tornado injury isn't flying debris. It's head trauma. And as for the shoes, a little fact you might not know is that there have been reports in the past is people getting injured by stepping barefoot onto glass that was shattered after the tornado had already hit. And number 3, having multiple alert sources. Phone alerts, NOAA weather radios, and sources that give you real-time analysis, just like Proud to Chase, not just raw data. And with that, guys, the weather is getting much more extreme. That's not a headline, that's just facts. The question isn't if the next big one is gonna hit your area. The question is whether or not you'll be ready. So subscribe to Proud to Chase. I track the storm so you know before the sirens. Stay weather aware and always stay at least 1 step ahead of the storm.